Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to reverse video clips using the CapCut video editor. You can do this and apply the trick I'm going to show you using both the web application of CapCut as well as the application on your computer. So for demonstration purposes, I am using CapCut's web application. As you can see, I'm signed in. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. Start with a new video project. And now let's say I would like to reverse that video clip here from my CapCut library. So let me place the video clip on the video track here on that timeline, just like that. And now guys, the following is super simple. Simply click on that icon here above your timeline, reverse, and yeah, let CapCut do its magic. That may or may not take a moment depending on the length or duration of the given video clip. There you go. So let me play that clip in preview in reverse. There you have it. The video clip is being played in reverse. Hilarious, look at that. Bro is happy about making cash in reverse. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.